what's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing good. I know that I haven't been in the YouTube for a long time now. Actually, I was going through some problem, so that's why I couldn't upload some video. But from today onwards, I will try to be as consistent as possible on YouTube. Yeah, I know that I always say all those things and then I don't upload a video for a long time. But yeah, I will try to, just consistent as soon as possible on YouTube. So yeah, leave all that aside. Today I'm gonna show you a color grading video, how I made, or actually how I converted a normal flat profile video into color graded video. So let me show what I'm gonna make today. So that was the color. This is the color grade video. Just let me show you. So this is the video we're gonna make. Original video is very flat profile, so this is the color grade video. Just check it out, then I'm gonna show you the process of how I did it. So let's start. Now I'm gonna import my file, that is this one, I think. Yeah, so let me just drop this one over my timeline, and see, let me just, yeah. So now let me just go to the basic correction and let me correct the. अच्छा. Let me just color tone. Let me just decrease the blacks over there. Doing good. Uh, yeah, now it's looking good. Now it has changed a lot. Let me just now go to the sharpen section. Sharpen a little bit. Vibrance. Saturation a little bit. Yeah. So now let me just go to green section. So I prefer this type of things because if I apply only one single dot, then this section, if I apply only one single dot, then environment will change. Now if I change this area, and see. Better than that, I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna increase the green. Then I'm gonna just increase the blue over there. Now let me see how it goes. It's doing kind of good. It is doing actually pretty good actually. Let's not delete this one. Yeah, it's doing good. Now let me just go to that section. Uh, Green. Now let me select the color wheels and match and face detection. So what I can do, um, it is, let me just see how the reference section looks. Um, on um, uh, how this section, my section looks. Yeah, it is kind of looking good. Let me just change the midtones a little bit. Yeah. Uh, I don't think I'm gonna apply that section. I'm just gonna go to my just yeah. Now it's looking good. I'm just gonna change the color, slightly the color of that gold over there through the SHL HSL secondary, and that's it. The background is doing pretty good, and let me just go to that girl section. Yeah, that section. Now I'm gonna select that girl over there and colored gray. Yeah, I have selected all the ports. Now let me just denoise. Let me see how it looks. I want to see that change. Now it is looking kind of good. Contrast a little bit. Now let me see. Now it is looking kind of. So yeah, that's it. That's how the color grading looks. You can see the difference. This is the color graded product and this is the normal flat based product. So if you like that video, then please press the like button and share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care, peace out.